Have you ever seen a light bulb that follows you around the room? This one can. It's a 1100 rupees smart CCTV bulb camera, and today I'm going to unbox it, install it and show you what it can really do. This is the V380 Wi-Fi bulb camera, an indoor 1080p security cam disguised as a regular bulb. It supports PTZ control, motion tracking, night vision, two-way audio and lighting, all managed through the V380 Pro app. Let's dive into the box. Inside the box, you will find a 1-year warranty card, a QR code linking to setup videos on YouTube, a reset pin tool, screws and wall plugs, a bulb socket adapter, a bulb mount in case your current fixture doesn't support the camera, and of course the V380 bulb camera itself. It's palm-sized with a 1080p camera lens in front, surrounded by white LEDs and IR plasters for night vision. The build is all plastic, but it feels surprisingly solid. On the top, you will find a micro SD card slot, a reset pin hole for setup or troubleshooting, a speaker grill for two-way audio and alarms. The camera can rotate horizontally and tilt vertically. True PTZ control for full room coverage. Before powering it on, I inserted a 64GB SanDisk Ultra Micro SD card. With the metal contacts facing upward, gently push it into the slot until you hear a click. There's a slight projection from the body, but that's normal. It won't interfere. First, I removed the balcony bulb. Then, I fixed the adapter that came with the camera into the socket. Pro tip: don't over tighten the adapter. Those brass threads are delicate and can get damaged. After that, I mounted the bulb camera into the bulb mount and gave it a gentle twist to lock it in place. As soon as it powered on, it beeped and did a full self-check rotation. It was ready to go. Setup is done using the V380 Pro app. It's a bit slow, with a few ads and about 40 to 60 seconds of login time. But once you are in, the app instantly detects the new device. I connected it to my Wi-Fi, and in under a minute, I had a live camera feed showing my garden. Now, let's explore what this bulb camera can actually do. Pan tilt control via the app is smooth and responsive. Motion tracking works well. It follows you as you move. Two-way audio through the speaker is loud and clear enough for basic communication.
Hi, how are you?
Auto lighting. In motion mode, the white LED lights turn on when it detects someone. And the alarm, you can manually trigger it or set it up to go off when it detects motion. It's loud enough to scare off intruders. The app also includes options for mirroring and image inversion, light timers, and even preset viewing angles. At night, the IR night vision activates automatically. It shows clear black and white footage even in pitch darkness. The SD card recording works right away. Playback is smooth and it overrides old footage when full. You can also switch between HD and SD quality for storage flexibility. For 1100 rupees, the V380 bulb camera offers a ton of features: motion tracking, alarm, lights, night vision and remote control. It's not a fisheye cam, so don't expect full 360-degree passive coverage, but the PTZ functionality makes up for it. Just a word of caution: if you leave it on patrol or motion mode constantly, the internal motors could wear out over time. Use those features selectively, especially when you're away from home. If you are looking for an affordable smart camera for entryways, balconies or indoor monitoring, this one is worth considering. Let me know in the comments if you want a comparison with another model or a long-term update. Like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Links in the description.